Just got a real nice fish on the underspin right here. That's about a that's about a 2-pounder. Wow, that's a chunky fish. Just hammered that bait. Absolutely just hammered that underspin. Wow. That's an aggressive golf course pond fish, I guess you could say. Oh jeez, it's gonna be hard to get out. Alright, I think I got it. Using the underspin. Nice fish right there. I'll post for a little picture. A nice fish, we'll get some more for you, about 2 pounds. Got a nice fish on right here. Oh, that's two. Actually, it's not. Usually at this golf course pond, these fish are so skinny, but right now they're really fat. So they're feeding up for the winter right now. They're awesome shape. God, I'm just killing it on these. That's a nice fish right there. We'll get some more for you.
3-pound bass, come on. Come on.
I just got a 2-pounder.
Bring that.
Oh, that's a lanky fish. Wow, we're just getting quality right now. This is just quality fishing. Oh, jeez. Got to flop back in the water. That's easily 2, maybe 2.5. My goodness, we're just killing these fish right now on this underspin. I think it's a Buckeye Lure underspin. And with a caffeine shad pearl color on the back. Jeez, we're just killing these fish right now. Awesome fish. Killing them. And they fight pound for pound here. I mean, these are really strong fish, and they're feeding up right now.
Time to go.
Time to go? Yeah. No fishing here?
No fishing here.
Okay.
Ever.
Alright guys, it's Fishing is Life here back again. I was at that pond catching some nice fish, 2.5 pound fish. Nice fish for a run here in Omaha. And I got kicked off there, as you saw. And we're on our way to another pond right now, so we'll see how that goes, and I'll let you know right after. What? Okay, sorry, I'll leave. I said sorry, I'll leave. Alright guys, I'm back again. And I was fishing on this pond and I had a fish on. I don't know if you could see in the video, but I had a fish on. And he popped off because I was scared because some old dude was coming down running at me. And he was getting super pissed off. And he was like trying to ask for my name. I'm like, dude, I'm sorry. He's like, how old are you? I'm like, I'm 18, I'm sorry, I'll get out of here. He was asking for my name. I was like, I'm sorry, I'm not telling you my name, but I will get out of here and I won't come back again, which really sucks because this pond you're going to catch fish no matter what on any bait, so it's amazing coming here. But this is the end of it. They already told me like last year that they have my license plate and they're ready to call the cops on me the next time they see me, but I think there's some new workers because they didn't call the cops on me, but I got kicked out and probably will not be back here ever again. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, Fishing is Life. Keep subscribing, keep liking videos, keep getting those views up, and I'll keep getting more content out for you. So see you guys later.